Welcome to Knebworth railway station. LNE are going past it. The Elder Parks. Oh, there's a whole train of all of the variety.
But you get the drift.
This is Knebworth station. Shame that you can't really go over to the bloody non-stopper platforms anymore because of reasons which I will not go into. But yeah, it's rather a plain station. I do say so myself. But yeah, there is quite a bit here, I think, given the look of that outside the station. It won't have very long. Yeah, it's these big shelters, which I imagine have a staircase in. Then leads to the outside of the station. The help point there. And here is a ticket hall. You could call this a ticket hall. A waiting room in here. Ticket office, which is currently closed for the minute. Yeah, it's quite nice in here.
The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here.
Here is a outside of the station. Smaller car park than there was at Welling North. Yeah. Quite facilities there. Back through the ticket office. We'll go to the London bound platform. Touchpads there for smart card. Very fast train going over right here. Yes, this is the London bound platforms. This train is due in a couple of minutes, which should be my train. Yeah, this is a shame that you cannot go out onto the fast platforms anymore. Inside work going on here. Once again, benches. That's about it really. They're rather broad up here on the platforms. Nothing really to it. But yeah. Here now arrives my train, which is another 700, heading to London King's Cross. Must be using the 700s because they're preparing the 387s to go to Southern. As they're getting replaced by the 379s, aren't they? I believe. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. For now, it's bye bye from me. Hope you enjoyed. Networth Station.
This station is